Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. It's good to be back, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Oh, welcome, everybody. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. It's good to be back. Sorry about yesterday. I was fully playing the stream, but things came up, and I couldn't. So it is what it is. Let's try something new, pandas. Let's try the 500 tick chart. I mean, 500 tick chart. We got an ATR of about 12 right now. It's right in the range that I want to be in. Let's try. It could be crazy though. It could be absolutely crazy. Let's try the 500 tick. It's more of the candle sizes are more of what I'm comfortable with. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. The candles are I'm telling you, this is gonna be turbocharged trading, pandas. We're talking about like seconds. We're talking about seconds right now. Market's about to open in a few minutes here, 10 minutes. We are fully funded here. We got code BBM, 80% off, Apex evals, 1 day to pass. Ends on the 15th, Panda. So we got 2 more days. 2 more days left. Two more days left, pandas. We're kind of lifting up here. We had news at 8:30. By the way, if you want to know where news is, you can look at the. You can join a Discord. I have a channel called Trading News, and that's where I mark all the news where I feel like the market will have a big enough move where you can pass your evals in one single trade, basically using max contracts, and you have to calculate yourself what's the appropriate amount, because every account's different. For instance, for the 150k accounts, I shoot for 26.75 points. I want just enough buffer so I can get over and also go over my commissions, right? You have to consider commissions. So you have to pass your commissions, and you have to consider your commissions, and also pass the target. So the number I go for the 150k accounts is 26.75. The ticks, and that's the amount of ticks I go for, and I go for I actually don't have a calculator. So that's with NAS, right? With the Nascraq. And I bring this up especially because we got huge news tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow's news, I'm a little bit worried, pandas. I'm actually a little bit worried. I'm a little bit worried about tomorrow. Tomorrow we have our CPI numbers. I mean, that's like the main number for inflation. And I'm excited for tomorrow. I'll tell you that much. It's at 8:30, and it's like, for me, it's like a guaranteed news event to pass evals. Like, tomorrow is going to be huge. And I'm going to say, if you want to look for a news event that can make or break your account, tomorrow will be it. I mean, even today, it was big enough to pass any eval. right? You just need 26.75 points for the 150K accounts. And maybe we could spend some time calculating exactly how many points we need. But like 26.75 points is like just right here. It's just right there. I mean, this goes way beyond what you need to pass an eval. That's all you needed to pass your 150K accounts. I'm telling you, tomorrow it's it's gonna be a bit wild. It's gonna be a bit wild. So I'll say, if you want to pass your evals, if it's been a while for you to be funded, tomorrow's the day to get funded. Tomorrow is the day to get funded. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back up to the 20 EMA here. We're bouncing off the 240 SMA. This is the daily chart, by the way. I think we're still in a downtrend, to be honest, but we've had such a strong move down. Yeah, I mean, it's such a strong move down. Like, at this point, it's an undershoot. Could lead to an overshoot. But, I mean, I still think we're in a downtrend. We'll see, though. We'll see. Yeah, I think it's just a slight pull. I think we need one more leg down on this. This is the weekly chart. I think we need one more leg down on the weekly chart. The daily chart, I think, this is a pullback, two-legged pullback, right? A, B, C, right? Two-legged pull. You can tell by the red diamond here that the next reversal will be a second entry. That's what the indicator does. It shows you not only the past second entries, but the upcoming second entries, which is great. Gives you the ability to set alerts up. Did you know you can set up an alert if there is a second entry long or short approaching in any time frame? I'm gonna try the 500 tick chart, pandas. The main reason being is because the ATR right now is around 11 for this, so I'm gonna try to use it. It's pretty much where I would like my risk to be. And I know the 500 tick chart is going to be a bit wild, but the risk is going to be a lot less. I'm not going to risk like 20, 30 points. $9,000 profit for 150K count to pass, isn't it? Yep. So we can do some calculations here. I should just create a formula. I should just create a form like an Excel and give it free for you guys, so you guys can like use it to see how many ticks you need in order to pass an eval. But quick maths, let's see. You need $9,000, 9,000, and every point is $20. So divide that by 20, and you have 17 contracts you can trade. So you need 26.47 ticks in order to pass the eval. 26.47. But then you have to consider commissions. And so the next, the closest tick you can have is 26.5. And I typically like to move it one more tick beyond that. So 26, I like to give myself a 2-tick buffer. So 1 tick round up and then a full tick extra. So 26.75 ticks is, 26.75 points is what I'm looking for, not ticks. 26.75 points. So 26.75 times 4 is 107 ticks, basically. You need 107 ticks to pass the 150K accounts. Now, a lot of you guys use a 50K account. 50K account, you need 3,000 to pass. Divide that by 20. Divide that by 17. Divide that by 10, because you can use 10 contracts on the 50K accounts. You need 15 points. So you go, 15.5, where I give you 2-tick buffer, times 4, 62 ticks. So you need 62 ticks to pass a 50K account in one single move. It's not a lot, pandas. It is easy. It is incredibly easy to pass. It's actually astonishingly easy to pass with one single trade. Tomorrow's news, it's almost a guarantee. Oh, nothing's a guarantee, right, Pandas? I don't want you guys to be like, oh, Bob My Money said this, he made me lose all my money, or he didn't work out. But I'm just saying, just thinking reasonably, there's almost nothing that is making me think that tomorrow you cannot pass any size eval. Any size eval tomorrow with the tomorrow news at 8:30 a.m. Mark your calendars, man. The CPI numbers tomorrow, it's gonna be bonkers. I'm telling you right now, it's let's just it could honestly be like, wow, wow. I'm actually worried. I'm actually worried. I don't say that very often, but I'm actually worried of how crazy the move is going to be tomorrow. The main reason being is because the Fed is trying to decide, are they going to lower interest rates by 0.25 or by 0.5? And I believe tomorrow's news will decide, right? Will decide how much they're going to lower the interest rates by. I believe so. Steven Black says, you could also blow any size eval. Could go either way. Our market just open, Pandas. It's true. It's true, but it's not, the thing is that, I mean, you just said it. You just said it. You just said the magic word. Could go either way. What? All right. Traded right into the trend line. I tried to trade a trap trade right there. But the thing is, even though I lost that trade, Pandas, I'm okay because the candles are so small. I'm okay with losing that. Goodness gracious. I traded right into that trend line. I shouldn't have. The better trade would have been waiting for the failed trap. I wanted an early trap. What are you going to do? Arrest me? I wanted the early trap. Could have been a big move down. Especially on this channel. Ascending channel up. Okay, push down. Trap upwards? For real?
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Easy peasy. Failed trap to the short side, but successful trap to the long side. Look at that. Fills you and then takes your runners out, bounces right off of it. People are waiting to buy it right there. Huh. Interesting. I wish there was a way to know that before it happens. Lee A says, I'm guessing because no one hits the like button, I actually have to search for Panda even though I'm a subscriber? YouTube sucks? What in the world? What's up with that? Yeah, I'm telling you, I've been in the shadow realm for a long time. I've been banished in the shadow realm for a long time. It's because of you guys. You guys keep talking about Trump. You guys love MAGA too much. Push up here. I've been tossed in the shadow realm for a long time, pandas. That's a shame that you guys are subscribers. You guys can't even see. You guys gotta hit that bell notification icon then. Goodness gracious. You think I just need to stream more? I stream almost every single weekday. I take a 1 day break. All right. What are you gonna do? Arrest me? All right. Second entry long outside bar reversal. Not interested, but this is a strong move upwards right now. Almost nothing stopping this meteoric move. Just launching here. It's getting parabolic. People just buying anything, everything. Welcome, guys. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas here. You guys are such great supporters. Summer in the Rockies, good morning. Just Ain't Right, good morning. Albert MO, good morning. YL, appreciate you guys joining. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Stephen Black, welcome. Lee 8, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Lafta, good morning. Kyle L, great morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Turtle Toes, welcome. You were gone for 2 months for the summer. Maybe I missed it with Algo. I was gone for like a month, yeah. It's true. All right. Maybe I'm still recovering from that. I mean, I've been getting more and more viewers. It's getting more stable. Like, I miss the days I used to have like 200 plus viewers every single time. Those were the good old days. That's when we were like trying to hit like 300 likes on one stream. Am I going to fall for this trick again? Fail second entry long. Am I going to fall for this trick again, pandas? I probably will. I'm such a sucker for reversals here. It's coming for a trend line again. Or I could just trade right off our trend line. Forget about any reversals here. We are on a trend line here. I'm going to fall for the exact same trick. Watch. Let's go for 10. Do I want to reverse it if it reverses on me? I kind of do. If this reverses on me, I want to take... Oh my. Oh my. If that reverses on me, I wanted to take it. Because we're on this trend line here, and we could like at least push up back maybe to top of this trading range. Who knows? We're still underneath the 20 EMA, which is bearish. Obviously, could get chopped up here. We'll see. Give me a nice push up here off our trend line, please. Please. Ooh. Ooh. Pandas. Look who's green. I am green, pandas. I am a green panda. What a good way to start. I'm going to always close off some of my trades by itself. Do you have like the ATM on? I turned that off, the ATM copy. I turned that off. That thing is trash. Don't use the ATM copy. I don't really have issues with like Replicanto turning off 3 or 4 accounts. I used to with the ATM copy on, but I took it off. Green is Panda on YouTube verified. Absolutely. High or low here? We're still in an uptrend, I guess. The higher low coming off the 20 EMA. I never used an AMT. Interesting, huh? Isn't the 500 tick too noisy trade? I mean, is it? To me, it just sounds like more opportunities. We're pushing down now. Forget this. Trend line is breaking. I'm testing it out. We'll see. The main reason why I like it is because the ATR is like about 10 points, which is the amount I like to risk. I don't want to risk more than 10 points on any trade here. That's $200, right? And when we're talking about just risk reward, like cash money management on these 5,000, basically $5,000 accounts, right? That's what it is. The 150K is basically a $5,000 account. So if you want like decent money management, like you gotta consider like how much you're willing to risk on any trade. The rule of thumb is 2%. But you know, if I'm risking 5,000, if I have $5,000, what's 2% of 5,000? It's only $100. But I guess you could say I'm willing to risk. Or sorry, what's 5%? What's 2% of 5,000? Yeah, $100. And so if you think about it, $200 is just like what, 4%. I'll try one more time here, Panos. I'm gonna go for a big one here. It's so hard to time this, Pandas. I think it's fair. I think it's a decent trade here. We could be hitting just a trading range here, but if it is, then it is. But this could be like a big one. Like this could be a big move down. I'm like hoping it comes like all the way down here. We'll let it ride out. Ooh, ooh, that was close, Pandas. Close, but no cigar. I'm still in this trade. Pandas. Close, but no cigar. Goodness gracious, that's scary. Could came out break even right there if I wanted to. Diamond cojones. I'm risking very little, Panda, so I don't mind if I lose this. I'm risking very little. For potential big gain here. Like, potential pretty big gain in my opinion. I'm risking very little for the amount of gain I can have. Ooh, ooh, diamond cojones, Pandas. Diamond cojones. Let's get it. Yeah, if it reverses here, that's a shame. It's truly a shame. Just hold on, Pandas. Hold on to your knickers. Hold on, Pandas. This is gonna be a big one. Come on. I can protect my initial capital here by doing this. Right now it's like a risk-free trade, and I could be more. I can look for a lot more here. I could just look for like the next reversal if anything. I could try. I'll just control it with a stop loss. I can use like each pivot. Like for instance, if this makes a pivot, I can use this pivot now. Or it can just break my neck and reverse on me. Goodness gracious, Pandas. Did I just get so greedy right there? Did I get way too greedy, Pandas? Ah. I was trying to like. I had a 1 to 2 risk reward right there, pandas. Pandas! It's all good. We'll get the next one. We'll get the next one, pandas. But the 2 to 1 actually works out quite nicely. Is it a 2 to 1? Actually, I mean, let's make this very precise here. Close enough. Close enough. It misses a 2 to 1 by one single tick, pandas. It actually misses it by one single tick. It misses the 2 to 1 or the 1 to 2 risk reward by one single tick. But one single tick, pandas. Let me show you. It stops here, but I need to go one more tick down. Pandas. The Bears just got destroyed right there. I thought we got a lot more. I thought it was going to be a big move down. I mean, it was a decent move, actually. I could have got a lot. Wow, so is it possible to get 10 accounts, sell 1, 5, and buy on the other 5 for tomorrow's news? Is it possible? Anything is possible. I mean, technically, yeah. It's possible. Let me just say this. If you were to do that, you have like a 99% chance you're going to pass half your accounts. A 99% chance. That's all I'm going to say. But that's also the forbidden jitsu. Jeez Louise, what we got here? Outside bar reversal. Hate that. But it is just blasting off. Rising Impact, pandas. Rising Impact. I've been watching. It's like it's an anime, golf anime on Netflix. It's so like it's so bad. It's so trash. Like in terms of like quality and production of like animes, it's probably like D tier, C tier. But I don't know why it's so entertaining to me. Why is it allowed for Apex evals? I'm just gonna say this: Apex does not care how you trade your evals. They're not gonna sit there and worry about how you're trading your evals. They do not care. They actually don't care. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Wow. I mean, should I just buy? Limit order buys? It's the second leg up. We broke trend, made new high. We can reverse here. I mean, this could be a decent reversal here. We'll see. YL. Okay. I might. Cojones deep. What's going on here? What's going on? I like my green. I like my slight green right now. I mean, green is green. I'm gonna be patient here though, pandas. I mean, I see a clear break of trend to new high, so I'm gonna wait here for a little bit. I'm gonna see what happens. We do have crazy news tomorrow, pandas. I'll go over it soon. I'll go over all the calculations just in case you guys missed it already, but we'll go over how to get funded with Apex. Second entry long, floating in mid-air. No, thank you. I'll take the trap though. Jeez. I'll take the trap on the other side. Jeez. Give me the trap here. We might not even get a trap, pandas. We may not even get a trap. The second entry long here. Or we could just be on a forever uptrend, and I'm delusional here, trying to reverse this. We're above the 20 EMA. Yeah, it's a silly trade. Really is a silly trade. This breaks a lot of my rules here, but I'll try. Oof, doesn't even reverse here. Yeah, I deserve to get hit there. I try to time it, and it doesn't actually trigger the reversal. It takes me out. It doesn't actually trigger the reverse. I try to time it. This is why the Nascraq is so hard to trade. It's so hard to time the finishing of those candles. I mean, I feel like we're in a strong uptrend now. The fact that it didn't reverse where it should have. I mean, it should have reversed right there. And that was it, pandas. That was a reversal. Instead, now we're going up. I almost want to buy anything, everything now. I'm just going to buy this. See what happens. Like, I think we're just on a strong uptrend.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Buy anything, everything, seriously. Next reversal up, I'm buying again. It's such a strong move down, right, pandas? Why? What's going on? Why is it such a strong move down? I'm gonna just try again. See what happens. I mean, just keep going long here. It's a strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart, which is why I'm eager just to go long here. I'll just take the hit. I'll take the hit and buy off the 20 EMA here. Okay, or I might not even have to, pandas. What in the world was that? Could claim that break even there. Again, the risk is so small because I'm trading the 500 tick chart, so my risk is teeny. Yeah, let's see. Let's hold on to this one, pandas. Let's see what happens. If I do get taken out, I probably want to buy off the 20 EMA here. Alright, triggers a second entry long, I'll take it. I'm still in this trade. Whatever. This market's crazy. I'm just buying anything. Buying anything and everything right now. It's not quite the reaction you wanted when you enter a trade though. Like, I don't want to take 2 reversals. Like, you don't want to see 2 pushes down here. Almost touches my target here. Almost. Doesn't quite get there. Either I win 200 or lose 200. That's the name of the game, pandas. Either I win 200 or lose 200. That's it. Looks like I'm gonna get hit here. What? Ah, that's a shame. I mean, it was like... It basically missed it by a tick. The strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart made me feel confident. It's kind of look crazy. This is a huge gap right now. The strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart made me want to just go long at the close of that bar. And unfortunately it takes me out. It might go the way I want it to go now, but we'll see. Panda made 862 on the eval count. Need less than 2K to pass the 250K and then move on to a P account. Let's go. Congrats. That's always good news. I'll just say right now, you can pass that in one single trade. Tomorrow's news takes me out and goes the way I want it to go now. Is that what's going to happen? Any bounce off the 20 EMA looks good. Double bottom here. Maybe worth trying to go long here. It's a terrible looking signal bar, but I'll try again. Lost 11 points on that. 1 point slippage. Pretty typical for the Nascraq. So hard to time this. It's an ugly looking signal bar, pandas. But it's off our trend line, also off the 20 EMA here. Ooh, okay. Sorry. Ouch. Big push down here. Looks like it's flushing, especially on the 5-minute chart. Let's get a slight reversal here if we can get it. It's not gonna give it to us, huh? Just gotta sell anything. Sell anything, everything. Give me this. Give me the fails against you long. I'll take it. I'll take it. Inside bar here. Fails against you long. Ooh. Pandas. This is one of those trades I almost want to take 2 contracts with. I mean, should I run 2 contracts and run it? I mean, I usually don't like to take 2 contracts. But I think I'm going to try on this one. Here's a signal bar. And that's what I get for being greedy. What in the world is happening, pandas? What in the world was that? Gave me a trap trade. Outside bar reversal. Is it going to take me out and then go the way I want to go now? Please. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so. Give me a second entry short at least. I gotta try again, pandas. I'm sorry. I gotta try again. I gotta try again. I'm too greedy. I have too much FOMO here, pandas. I have way too much FOMO. Oh, it doesn't trigger the second entry short. There it is, pandas. That's what I wanted to see. Let's get it. Let's get it, pandas. Now the question is, can I time this like perfectly? Okay, that's easy to time. No problem there. Let's get that second entry short here, pandas. Off the 20 EMA. It's looking good. I got 2 contracts here waiting for me. Alright. Okay. Keeps going up. I don't know. It's looking sus. Looking quite sus. In this trade. Let's see how much we can get from this. If it takes me out, it takes me out, pandas. If it takes me out, it takes me out. What can I say? It is what it is. It's the name of the game. Shall get the 1-to-1 and then look for a runner here, like a forever runner, or just absolutely rip my foot. Wow. What in the world was that, pandas? What in the world was that? I mean, you got this monster move down. You're looking for some sort of follow through, and there's none. It just completely reverses and breaks every bear's neck. Every bear's neck is broken right now. How in the world? What was that? Pandas. I mean, I thought it was trading range, so we can come back into our trading range right here. CPI is tomorrow. CPI is tomorrow. This is a huge move. This is just a monster bull trend right now. Don't even try. Don't even try to short this. This is gonna be like a monster bull trend day today. What in the world? What in the world was that? I'm going long. You can't stop me, pandas. You cannot stop me. I'll tell you that right now. There's nothing you can do to stop me from going long right here. Absolutely nothing you can do. This, okay, it's looking a little bearish now. It's starting to look like a trading range a little bit now. It's starting to get a little sus right now. Okay. That is fine. That is a-okay, pandas. Double top here? Is that what's happening? Is it double top right now? Second entry long? Double top? What? Ooh. It's outside bar reversal. I hate that. I truly hate that. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. That's yucky right there. Extremely yucky. Extremely yucky. Strong. It's big wicks here. Why am I trying to go long? Is the question. Alright, I go long here. I'll take it. I'll take it. This is for a massive diarrheic explosion right here. Get ready, pandas. Just get ready for this one. Just get ready, pandas. Get ready for the diarrhea. Volcanic diarrheic explosion here. Hoo-yah! Give me more. I'll take a runner. Give me a massive runner here. Or limit orders. This is like just a limit order land right here. Is it gonna just take me reverse on me? Limit order me out? Could be possible. I think it wants more though. Let's see. Let's see. I hate to do it. But I'll come out break even if I have to. It is what it is. Jeez. Too many limit orders here now. I mean, I look at the 5-minute chart. It's just limit orders all up here right now. All the wicks and limit orders. Getting too wicked. Too many wicks here. It could just reverse. I'm glad I came out break even ultimately. Even if it keeps going up, I'm glad I came out break even. Alpine Trader. This guy is so fake. Are there spreads in futures like buy? There technically is a spread, but not like forex. Forex has huge spreads. That's basically how forex makes money, right? Through spreads. But the way futures make money is through commissions. So there are spreads though. Technically, it's like a 1-tick spread. Technically, I guess you can call that a spread. Technically. So is there a spread? Yes. But is it like forex? No. Forex has like huge. I mean, Alpine, of course, will be joining my stream right now while he's probably streaming. Of course. Why wouldn't he be joining my stream? Doesn't make any sense. Of course, that's Alpine. It's definitely an uptrend. Like, should I even try to be going short? Nah. Nah. It's hard. This is hard. It's getting quite choppy now. The 5 minute especially showing signs of choppiness. Alright, who's this troll? Who is this troll here? It's Yuan Lung 5755. Yuan Lung. Alright, Yuan Lung. I see you. I see you, Yuan Lung. I didn't know Alpine's real name is Yuan Lung. He doesn't look like his name will be Yuan Lung. It doesn't make sense, pandas. Like, it's getting choppy. I gotta be like selling here. Like, believe it or not, I have to just be like selling with a limit order up here somewhere and see what happens. It's like what I actually have to do right now, I feel like. Sell the limit order? It's like getting very limit order trading right now. Welcome to the stream, pandas. If you guys are new, I'm Bob My Money. Thanks for joining. By the way, pandas. By the way, tomorrow we have huge news. Huge news. We got CPI numbers. And with news like tomorrow, you can pass any single eval in one single trade with Apex. If you trade max contracts, I'll do the calculations for you guys soon. So basically, you can trade max contracts and then you can trade tomorrow's news. There is a way to do it, I guess, so you can almost guarantee passing it, but y'all know the ways are hidden. The ways are hidden, let's just say. But let's say you know how to do it. Tomorrow it will be the day to do it. Y'all know what I mean. If you know what I mean, if you know, you know. Jeez. Is it too choppy? Is it good I didn't enter that? Any good I didn't enter that? Nah, I should enter it. No! It's gonna go without me. Alright, man. Let's try to get to the bottom of trading range here. Trading range is starting to develop. Trading range indicator. And the best part is, pandas, we have 80% off using code BBM. Make sure you guys use it. That code is gonna expire on Thursday, I believe. Thursday, you got 2 more days. I'm just getting destroyed here, pandas. I mean, the limit order trading is what's getting to me. Y'all know, if you can't beat them, join them, pandas. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat them, join them. Where's my limit order right here? Give me my limit order. If you want to pass a 150, okay, I mean, it depends on when you want to trade Nas. I'll trade a Nascraq, doesn't matter. We'll trade a Nascraq. If you want to, you pass the news in one single trade, trading a Nascraq. Let's say for the 50K accounts, right? 50K, most of you guys like the 50K accounts. We'll try the 50K accounts. 50K accounts, you need $3,000 to pass. you need more than $3,000 pass, right? You need like $3,000.01 to pass, right? You need to be greater than 3,000, right? Or is it not the case? Is it actually 3,000 exactly? Regardless, you want a little bit buffer. So you divide this by how many contracts you can trade, which is 10 contracts. Then you divide it by how many points, or how much money each point is, right? So you can figure out how many points you need. So you need 15 points. If you want to trade 10 contracts, you need a movement of 15 points or more in order to pass your eval in one single trade.
5-minute trap.
So I would say go for 15.5, right? Go for 2 more ticks. Go for 15.5 points with 10 contracts, right? Give yourself a 2-tick buffer just in case. And the news so volatile that 2 ticks typically is not an issue. I don't think I've ever. I probably have failed, right, passing the evals because of that like 1 extra tick, because of like missed by 1 tick. It probably has happened to me. Everything has happened to me. Everything wrong has happened to me, really. But let's just say there is no issue tomorrow. I'll give yourself 2 ticks. So go for 15.5 ticks on the 50K accounts using max contracts. And if you want, you can use a forbidden jitsu. That's up to you. Or let's say if you like the 150K accounts, basically this is the formula, right? You get your target, what you need. So 150K accounts. You know, I gotta buy here because of the limit order trading. You gotta buy. You just have to buy. Buy anywhere, everywhere. Buy anywhere down here, thinking it's come right back up. It just gave me a double bottom. It just gave me a double bottom. It's just pure limit order trading right now. Jeez Louise. Oh, lower high here. Limit order trading is so scary. How do people do it? They do it without blinking too. I do it definitely wincing. Like, ugh, is this limit order gonna work? It just feels so scary. Just trying to catch falling knives everywhere. I guess the thing is you limit your exposure, you know. You'll just take whatever you typically would take. All right, I'm in this trade. Absolute ridiculous, just limit order trading here. I'm by no means a master at limit order trading. But when I see a limit order market, I'm going to start trading with limit orders. You know what I mean, pandas? And we'll see how it goes. If it hits me, it hits me. It is what it is. So let's say for the 50K counts. Okay, good. Limit order markets, I typically just scalp, nothing more. Limit order markets. So for the 150K count, you need $5,000 to pass, right? Those are the accounts I'm trading right now. You divide that by the amount of contracts you can trade, which is 17, and then you divide that by how much 1 point is, which is $20. Okay, divide that by 20. Sorry. 150K count, the goal is $9,000. Divide that by 17. Divide that by, which is 529. Divide that by 20. You need 26.47 points. So you need to add, you want to give yourself a 2-tick buffer. So give yourself 26.75 points. Look for 26.75 points tomorrow. If you're trying to pass 150K, I'm like pretty certain you'll be able to pass it, like with a high degree of certainty. Like pretty high degree of certainty. Whoa, didn't want that. I wanted to go a little bit higher in the limit order, but it might work out anyways. So limit order market. Let's trade with limit orders to see what happens.
Target
I'll
filled.
take it. Limit order market. Range is gonna range. Ranges are gonna range. What can you say? What can you say, pandas? Just keep selling near a couple points above the previous pivot highs. That's literally what I'm doing, and it's working. Pandas. Big push down. Again, limit order market. Does this mean anything? Does this mean anything? Eventually the range will break. Eventually. But does this mean anything? If the Fed doesn't lower interest rates, if they do lower interest rates, wow, September, that is, if they don't lower interest rates, I mean, honestly, I don't think inflation's gone. I think inflation's still here. I think things are still very expensive. The point of raising interest rates is to lower inflation, but I don't care what the numbers say. I just feel like inflation is still here. It's just it's pure anecdotal, but geez Louise, life is hard. Second push down here. I mean, limit orders are gonna limit, right? Ranges are gonna range. Should I be looking for anything more here than that? Am I trying to get too fancy? Am I trying to time the impossible with a failed second entry long? I'm just such a sucker for this pandas, and it's gone. Outside bar reversal, I can't do it. Man, outside bar reversal, strong bear bar too. I can't take the outside bar reversal. I'm glad I didn't. Ranges are gonna range. Jeez Louise. Why am I even trying? I should be going long here. Why am I even trying this right now? Why am I even attempting this suicidal trade? Hopefully, it doesn't trigger again. Okay, I'm in. Whoa.
Target filled.
Whoa. Wait. What just happened? That was wild, pandas. Whatever just happened was a bit wild. Sorry, it must have like when you hear my my trade copier go crazy, everyone's probably wondering, is my trade copier okay? Wow, we finally got the push down, but unfortunately, only one of my contracts went through. I had 2 contract trade there, but it's still a limit order market. It was a silly trade. I shouldn't have taken it. I was down 1,000. Now I'm down like, ooh, technically, let's flatten everything. I was in a trade. Huh. Still a limit order market. Yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Look at this. Look at this nonsense. If you can't beat them, join them, pandas. If you can't beat them, join them. Huh. I'm trying to find the range right now. I'm trying to see where the limit orders are. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know where they are right now. If I'm looking at price action, I guess down here. I guess something like this. Seems like a decent place to have your limit orders. Seeing the limit orders here. Maybe selling up here as well. The worst thing that can happen with this trade is that I lose like 200 bucks. That's the worst thing that can happen in this trade. Huh. Okay, higher low. Pushes up. I still think we're in a limit order market. The question is, where do I put my limit orders? That is the question, pandas. Huh. It's a second entry short. I don't think I want it though. I mean, look at the market. It's not akin to stop orders. So the market is not in stop orders. Then you should not be in stop orders. You should be trading what the market's trading. And right now it's limit orders. The question is that it's hard to find exactly where to place it. I guess it makes sense to place it somewhere up here. We're just in the middle of it right now. Ooh, I'll take it down here though too. I'll take it down here somewhere. A little break here. A little push down. Maybe 240 SMA is a solid place to buy as well. Like, will it even get down here though? I don't know. It's so choppy. Every time frame is choppy. By the way, since I changed to the 500 tick chart, my higher time frame is actually 2,500 instead of 5,000. 5-minute chart, right? They're all choppy. Every time frame is choppy. It makes sense to sell here if the limit order continues. Hypothetical sell. would have made money right there. Okay, decent push down. Let's see. I'm gonna try to catch a falling knife here. Probably. Al Brooks says, if you see a trading range, buy at the bottom third, sell at the top third, and vice versa. Still limit ordering, still ranging. Range is gonna range, right? Ranges are gonna range. I don't know if I had the cojones just to sell like anywhere here. Okay. I don't know. I'll sell here. Cool. I'm just gonna use a trading range indicator here. If you're gonna use a trading range indicator, this is the day, right? You gotta use a trading range indicator on trading range days. Big news tomorrow, pandas. I'm telling you, if you want to get funded in one single trade, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's it. Okay. Range is gonna range, hopefully. Missed it by a point, unfortunately. Couldn't quite get to where I needed to get to. Unfortunately. Maybe this time it'll get to where I need it to get to. I'm gonna sell it here and hold it till it hits the bottom of this trading range, pandas. Just watch. I will do it. And then when it gets to the bottom here, I'm gonna buy it back up. Just watch, pandas. Get ready. Get ready for something spectacular. Are you guys ready? It never fills me. Either way. It's the thought that counts, no? In trading, isn't it the thought that counts? Ooh, will it fill me here, pandas? And I'm going to hold it to the bottom of the trading range. You watch. You don't think I can do it? You don't think I can do it, pandas? Just watch. I will do it. Just open your eyes and see the diamond cojones in play. No thinking aloud, exactly. Somewhere in the Rockies figured out the perfect thing to do when trading. No thinking aloud. This is it, pandas. I mean, it's either do or die here. We're going to get to the bottom of this trading range. And not only that, pandas, we're going to buy it once it hits the bottom of the trading range. And we're going to buy it all the way back up. Just watch. Easiest trade of my life. Zero thinking involved. It's kind of going the right way. Kind of doing the right thing, I feel like. It's going the right way. It's sort of going the right way. Sort of doing the right thing here. No thinking, pandas. I'm not worried. If I get hit, I get hit. If I win, pandas. It's just that easy. There's only two options here, pandas. Either I lose about $200 or I make about $1,000. I mean, that's a good trade-off, no? It's that easy. $765. I can win or I can lose. I already know, 200. Which one will it be, pandas? Which one will it be? Wow, my Instagram's all in Russian suddenly. Are you like on a proxy or something, a VPN? Who would want a VPN into Russia? Isn't the whole point of VPNs to surf the web outside of countries like Russia and China? Ooh, it's going the right way, pandas. It's definitely going the right way right now. Ooh, pandas. What do we have here now? Ride or die. La da 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 la. Pandas, I told you. It's either I make $760 or I lose $200. It's just that simple. It's that simple right now, pandas. There's no other options. I'm holding it to the very end. I kind of wish I took my profits right there. I kind of wish I just took my profits right there. You know, sometimes you regret your decisions. And it's kind of a, you know, I take it all back. I'm glad I did it. Because I got diamond cojones. All right, pandas, how about this? If this works, you are obligated to purchase the trading range indicator, which can be found at www.twoleggedpullback.com. If this works, pandas, you have to buy the trading range indicator, pandas. If this works, pandas, you must buy. You are obligated to buy. It will be illegal if you don't buy the trading range indicator. If we come all the way back to the bottom of the trading range right now, you are obligated to purchase the trading range indicator. Come on, pandas. Come on. Pandas! One of two options. Either I lose $200 or I gain $765, pandas. There's only two options here, pandas. Come on! Come on! Inside bar? No, 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 no! No, 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 wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Either I lose $200 or I make $765. It's one of two options, pandas. Pandas! Trading range indicator at www.twoleggedpullback.com, pandas. Don't forget it. You saw it right here. You saw it right here. I was down $1,000 today, pandas. And guess what? We're up $340 now, pandas. I mean, have you seen such beautiful swings before? I don't think so. Who can call it? Who can call it like the panda? Who can call it like panda? Jeez Louise. Should I buy from here? Should I buy at the bottom of the trading range indicator and hold it to the top, pandas? Should I? I mean, should I, pandas? I mean, if that works, pandas, truly, you must purchase this indicator. Like, it is a sign. You must buy it, right? All right, I'm going to buy here. If we come back up to the top of the trading range indicator, Okay, I'm gonna buy a little bit lower. I'm gonna buy a little bit lower. The main reason being because there's a trading range on the higher time frames, so it might actually reach those levels. Okay, how about this? I'll buy the next reversal. I'll buy the next reversal here. I either buy it down here. Oof. Oof. The 5-minute chart is what I'm most worried about right now. It's the 5-minute chart that is most worrisome. If you know what I mean, pandas. The 5-minute chart is the most. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost fills me here. Almost fills me here. All right, either I lose 200 here. Ooh, it missed it by one single tick. It missed it by one. The reason why I had it there is the 2,500 tick chart has a trading range as well, and it's down here. So I try to buy at the bottom. Wow, pandas! The trading range indicator on the 2,500 tick chart is spot on. Goodness gracious, what's going on? I kind of like the 500 tick, pandas. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the 500 tick? What time frame do you guys use on the Nascraq? If you don't mind me asking. I tried to buy the bottom of the 2,500 tick trading range, but it didn't get there, pandas. I missed it by literally one single tick on a $20,000 product. How precise can you be? Look at this, pandas. How precise can you be right now? One single tick on a $20,000 product. It missed it by one single tick. It might get back to the top of the trading range on the 2,500 tick chart. Lee 8 uses 1,000. Wow, it is actually getting back to the top of the trading range. Pandas, a 25. Wow. This is incredible. I mean, give me a fail-safe entry short, I'll take it. Give me a fail-safe entry short, I'll take it. I'll try. ES 2000 tick. Hugh doing the old school. Paying homage. Only the true pandas know. I'll try. I don't like. Okay. It doesn't even give it to me. It doesn't give it to me. It blasts right through it. Reverses off our trend line. I'm a little bit worried here. What's going to happen? Knowing it's a trading range. It's a limit order market. Anything can happen here. People are selling here at the top of that bar. Ooh, you lose that trade. You absolutely lose it right there. The 200 tick chart. Interesting. I mean, I get it. I actually understand why. It makes sense. Getting to the top of the trading range. It is actually happening, pandas. The trading range indicator. The trading range indicator is so accurate right now. It's sickening. Look at the 2,500. It literally missed it by one tick and comes all to the top of the trading range. I had my stop. I had my limit order right at the bottom of this trading range, and it comes all to the top, pandas. I literally had it. I had it, pandas. I missed it by one single tick. It's actually crazy. I mean, even though I didn't enter that trade, you can see for yourself the trading range indicator is just... It's strange how accurate it is. I'll just tell you that right now. It's strange how accurate it is. I just sold it at the top and held it to the bottom, pandas. It is what it is. Majority of you guys use the 1,000 tick chart. Okay, makes sense. I mean, that's what I was using. I mean, the 1,000 tick chart. The thing is that the candles are about 20 points. The candles are 20 points. Aren't they? Aren't they around 20 points on a 1,000 tick chart? Average ATR 14. 15.9 points. Not 20, not quite 20 points. Pandas. Should I just have sold at the top of the trading range? Again here? And just come back to the bottom? Is it one of those days that we're literally stuck in a trading range all day waiting for the news tomorrow? Is it one of those days, pandas? The 500 tick chart, the 14 ATR, right? The ATR at the 14 period. So basically it looks at the last 14 candles. Well, if you guys don't know what ATR is, basically ATR is just looks at the last like whatever period you're using. We're using 14. So it looks at the last 14 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And it's basically saying from these last 14 candles, what was the average range, right? You basically subtract the high from the low and you find the range. That's how you find the range of every candle. It finds the range of every single candle and then divides it by 14, right? Finds the average true range. That's like ATR. So basically just tells you how big the candles are from the last 14 candles. And you can use it as a gauge to see how much risk you'll most likely be taking on your trades. So that's what I'm using. I was using 1,000 tick, but the ATR is 15.64. I don't really like to risk more than 10 points here. I'll take the fail second entry long, pandas. I mean, I'll take it here. We hit the top of the trading range. We can get back to the bottom. I'm actually shocked of how accurate this is. If you guys want to know how I created it, I just followed a couple rules of trading ranges. You can find all the information at the website www.2leggedpullback.com. Go to like the what section is it? Tutorial section, and if you go to the bottom, you can see exactly how I calculate these trading ranges, or how I calculate it, how these trading ranges are calculated. I'm not doing anything to calculate them. And it's using pure price action. It literally looks at how many times the market hits at a certain price, and it just creates trading ranges based off that. That's all it does. It's quite incredible. I'll try, pandas. I don't like it, but I'll try here. It's a hidden trap here. I just like it because we hit the top of the trading range, so I might get back to the bottom here. It looks a little bit bullish, to be honest, though. We're above the 20 EMA. One more push up, maybe. I want one more push up here. It looks like it wants one more push up. It's like entry long. One more push up, I think. this is a trending day, I actually would go long here, but it's not a trending day. Okay, there's that last push up I feel like it's trying to do. I'll take one more trade. I'm going to take the inside. No longer inside bar, but the fail second entry long. Yeah, there's the last push up here. Yeah. I feel like it needed that one last push up here to get to the top of the trading range again. Huh. A lower high maybe for me. A lower high maybe for me. Spike in channel right now, right? That's what's happening. It's a spike in channel. One of the few choppy days I don't get chopped up, pandas. It's one of the few choppy days I don't get chopped up. It's actually like, it's so rare. One of the few choppy days I don't get chopped up. It's good to hear, you know. Maybe I'm going the right direction in my trading journey. Maybe I'm finally learning how to trade trading ranges. Maybe. But maybe not. Because I'm trying to go short here right now. One of the few choppy days I don't get chopped up. Instead, I'm kind of green. Kind of green here. The lower high. I'm going to see if we can make anything out of this. If not, maybe go long, but I think I'll just take the hit instead. Yeah, the lower high. I thought we can make something of it. Looks like it wants to push up hard. Outside bar reversal. All right, we'll take it. Yeah. All right, pandas. That's it. I tried. We're still green. Green is green. Geo is absolutely right. He says chop in NQ and chop in ES is different. Chop in the ES is just, it's painful. It's just like excruciating to trade chop in the EMINI. It's a nice push up. I should have reversed that. So I bounce off the 20 EMA, bounce off our trend line as well. Let me try one more reversal here. One more reversal here, if we can. Thinking anything that breaks out now is failure. How much risk was that? 8 points. It wasn't even 10 points. Okay, it's on breakout mode right now. You don't want to short anything that's breakout mode. I could be looking for a long trade now. Jeez. Okay, breaking out. It's quite scary to go long here. Just to go long. Like, if anything, like, I would wait for a small pullback. Limit order, see if we keep going up. Are we breaking out of the trading range is a question. All right, look at the 5-minute chart. Like, is the market telling us, are we no longer choppy? Are we no longer choppy? Or has the market told us we're going to have a trading range day today with all this terrible price action early on? Keeps making new highs today, so you gotta be objective here. We're in a strong uptrend. Question is, what entry do I have? If I have one at all. Cool. Trading range is done now on the trading range indicator. According to the trading range indicator, it does no more trading range. We have officially broken out, and you can see that we've broken out by showing you. This is one of the features of it. This line here. This line here figures out when it's officially broken, right? Once the market closed above this line, the trading range is officially done, right? And that's a feature of the trading range indicator. As you can see right now, I'm calculating the breakout area with the ATR. Again, you can go to the website and find more information about it, but that's how it works. He uses a 20 ATR. Let me use a 14, see what happens. Uh-oh. One thing about the trading range indicator is it does a lot of calculations, I'll tell you that much. I might have to end the stream here. Oh, okay, it worked. Oh my goodness gracious. Did it work? All right, there it is. I could try. Buy somewhere down here. Just buy off the 20 EMA. That's what I'm trying to do. Try and buy off the 20 EMA, see what happens. I feel like it's such a high probability trade here. I'm willing to take it. Either that or the next reversal up. Either or. I'll take it. I'm in this trade. I feel like it's a high probability trade. I don't know. It's off the 20 EMA, off my trend line. I gave it a lot of room too to wiggle through. Gave it a lot of room to wiggle. It's a lot of wiggle room right there. A lot of wiggle room. Almost want more. Almost want a lot more. Not too much more. Just a little bit more. Come on. You can do it. Let's get back to the close of the previous bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, that's what I want. I want to come back to the close of the previous bar. I think this pullback's strong enough. It's such a strong bull bar, you're thinking it'll come back up to retest the top at least once. I can also take my risk off at this point, right? If I don't want to risk any more money on this. I mean, if it comes back down here, you can pretty much maybe say that the trade is over. Let's get back to the close of the previous bar. That's what I want. Is that too much to ask for? Is it too much to ask for, pandas? I don't have much to worry about. I mean, I'm protecting my capital, so the worst that can happen, I lose $0. That's the worst that can happen, I guess. I think my premise is good here, right? Come back to retest, right? The bears or the bulls want to come out break even at least if they can. The bears are trying to get in a better entry. It makes sense to me here, but who knows? Trading will do whatever it wants, truthfully. All right, second entry long forming here. Do I want the second entry long? I'm already in a trade, but I like it. Bounce off the 20, may bounce off our trend line here is the main reason why I want to take this. All right, let's see what happens, pandas. Or the market's gonna give us the big middle finger here. Just not give us anything. Man, bulls. I mean, always in long bulls are having a hard time today. Worst that can happen, I just come out break even on this trade, I guess. All right, it is what it is. I tried, pandas. I tried to make sense of it, but it is what it is. I try to make sense of my trade. I try to make sense of my target. I try to make sense of a lot of things here. But sometimes the market just doesn't do what you want it to do. It is what it is. So what can you do? What can you do, pandas? What can you do? All I know is that I'm not risking anything. So it's all good, pandas. Let's just take the hit. Okay, second entry long does trigger. I'm still alive, pandas. I mean, my premise might still be okay. I might as well hold it. I've held it this long. I might as well hold it. I might as well hold it. I've held it this long. Might as well hold it. It's just so rare to see like strong bull bars with absolute like no follow through. Right? When you have a strong bull bar like this, like to have zero follow through on it, it's pretty rare. But you know, it happens. So technically, I'm still in this trade. So let's see what happens. It almost took me out. It's looking good for me. It looks really good for me actually now. Now it looks terrible. Looks good, looks bad, looks good, looks bad. Just getting choppy up here now. I mean, I feel like it wants to retest the highs here, but it is what it is. Oh, reverses here. That's not good for me. One more reversal up. It seems like a really bad sign, reversing there. But I'll take the long here if it goes. If it actually triggers here, I'm going to go top of this here. If it triggers here, I want to take long. I want to take a long here. If it actually triggers. 3 overlapping bars now. Not so enticed anymore. We'll see. The worst that can happen is I'm going to be a little red today. I'd rather be a little red. I don't mind being a little red. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whew. I think I can protect my profits like this. Like if it reverses down here, then I don't want to be a part of this anymore. All right, I'm just gonna stop out on the next reversal. You know what I mean, pandas? On the next reversal, I'm gonna take my stop out. Whoa! Okay, couldn't do it. Jeez. All right. It just jerks around so much. I just can't even time it. It's crazy. All right, whatever. Okay, I'll take it. Whatever, pandas, not me. What am I doing right now? What is the market doing right now? All right, pandas. I think that's enough for today. Remember, pandas, tomorrow 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. It's gonna be crazy, and you can get funded. You can get funded one single day. I think it's a good time to do it because 80% is going to end soon. So I would stock up. Who knows when they're going to continue to 80%. Who knows when they're going to do 90% again. No one knows. So pandas, do what you will. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And it'll be after the CPI numbers. So it's going to be wild. Pandas, I hope to see you tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Make sure you scalp that like button. Thanks for joining, everyone. And yeah, tomorrow 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Hit that bell notification icon because YouTube has shadow banned me. So the only way you can really know if I'm gonna be streaming or not is if you hit that bell notification icon. So that helps a lot. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. As always, have a drink up. Bye.